Just want to take a minute to appreciate some of the work Scaletrains has done here. I picked up one of their new Dash 9s with the classic thoroughbred paint scheme with not the white face, but just all the black on the front. I got Operation Lifesaver and then this number 9580. Just got it out of the box, and I got one with sound and DCC and the other one was DC only. And I noticed two things. The first is that it looks like the DC only comes with capacitors on it, similar to a Keep Alive, so those DC users, awesome by Scaletrains to include this. I can only assume it's to keep power to the locomotive in case you hit dirty track, kind of like the DCC decoders have. But the biggest thing is I've only taken the coupler boxes off with just a screwdriver, and the whole shell just comes off. You can do it with one hand if you need to. It's just the simplest design ever. They got pins on the front for the lighting effects. It's heavy. The decoder's right there. I just popped the new Loc sound decoder on. It just works. It's incredible. I'm working on the Atlas undecorated model right now as well. And I also got one of the new Atlas locomotives with the marker lights. And they're great, but I mean, look at that. It just works. The coupler box even lines up. There's no finickiness, no wires to fight with. I'm blown away and incredibly appreciative for the work that the folks at Scaletrains have done. I find it, I'm working on this Atlas undecorated project just because I've had it going on for a while. But Scaletrains is just knocking it out of the park with every locomotive I can find. So I'm gonna get this one programmed. I'll probably get a sound speaker for this at some point just because I was gonna get a Loc Pilot decoder. The store didn't have it and I didn't feel like going online and finding one. And I'm also not sure if the Loc Pilot decoders have enough function outputs. So I just put Loc sound in here and I'll program it to be exactly the same as the Operation Lifesaver variant. Once I have a place to test these out and make a video or something of running them, I will. But for now, it's just a quick look at what's inside these Scaletrains locomotives and how easy it is to disassemble them. Thanks for checking it out. We'll see you soon.